I, Bernard Di Mapilis Peralta, do solemnly resolve before God and my wife, take full responsibility for myself, my wife, and our family, love them, protect them, and serve them. I promulgate this commitment before God, my country, and my home. Yes, I am. I do. And I will.
You were just a prayer back then. I prayed for God's gift, a God-centered relationship. And who would have thought that my God's gift was someone I had been friends with on Facebook for a year.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are.
Grabe yung pagdadasal ko para kay Francis Ador. Kasi nakilala ko siya panahon na trainee pa ako eh.
Since 2019 kami. So, 5 years. 5 years. Pero magkakilala na kami 2018 pa lang.
So sabi ko, masurvive ko lang tong training ko, Lord. Hayaan niyo po na ang maibigay na reward po sa akin ay yung makasama ko na si Francis Ador. At binigay din naman ng Diyos sa akin yun. Thank you. Yan, thank you. Fragile daw. Medyo mata. Sa simula pala ng pag-uusap namin, naramdaman ko na siya na talaga eh.
Masaya siyang maging partner. Actually, responsible siyang partner. Kahit na nagiging busy siya sa work as a police officer, he surely makes time. Wow, ring there. Thank you, Rani Boy. I want you to always remember how proud I am of you. Wow. With all my love, Bernard. English.
Ang journey namin together sa loob ng 5 taon. Medyo magulo pero masaya naman.
Roller coaster yung namin, yung relationship namin.
Yan, marami rin kami naging mga pagkakatampuhan pero naayos din naman namin na sa pag-uusap. Si Twinkle, para siyang part ko na rin. Ganon siya kahalaga sa akin.
Ang hirap i-rate yung kung gaano siya kahalaga bilang partner at bilang tinanggap ko siya as partner for life or forever, ganyan. So yun yung parang pinaka-description ng niya, ng halaga niya for me.
At sinabi, dahil dito iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
Thank you for your patience, for showing me how a dalagang Filipina should be treated. Bringing flowers, writing love letters, hatid sundo sa bahay before every date, and so much more.
Kung kaya ito ang dahilan na iiwanan o iwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina. Iiwan pero hindi tatalikuran. Ang sinasabi ko, iiwan dahil kayo'y magbubuo ng munting sambayanan.
Today, as I begin the journey of being your wife, I commit and live this marriage to God, along with my commitment, love, loyalty to you.
It's right in front of me. Beyond
Today, as I begin the journey of being your wife, I commit and live the marriage or this marriage to God, along with my commitment, love, loyalty to you. I'm with you until the end. I will be your best friend, your confidant, number one supporter, the love of your life. Sa'yo lang ako hanggang dulo.